G'day guys, welcome back. We are at the Dino Expo, I believe it's called, at Durack. It's at the dog park at Durack. It's only here for 4 days, so by the time you see this it's probably over.
But we did see it somewhere else, like before this. So
yeah, it was at Springfield. Right? It was at Springfield a while ago. Yeah, so possibly could come back somewhere else a bit later. It's $23 a ticket. Had to buy your tickets online, and you get a 2-hour window. So when you buy your tickets, you allocate yourself a time slot, and we got 4 p.m. 4 till 6.
Obviously, that is 2 hours.
Yeah, so we're going to go for a wander and have a look at the dinosaurs. You can see this big thing behind us. All right, let's go inside and have a look. This is really cool how they all, or most of them, move and make noises. You can see this is a Triceratops, which is a plant eater.
Glad it tells us.
Yeah, otherwise we wouldn't know. But he doesn't look very big. I wonder if that's a full-grown one or a baby.
I don't think so, because I think that one over there is a T-Rex.
Oh, okay.
You know?
All right. Oh, he's saying he's only a baby.
Baby, yes.
Baby. No, I'm not a baby. There's the name of this one. You can pronounce it however you like. But he's quite a scary looking creature.
Its only enemy is the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Oh, and he's just over there.
Do you know the chronological order of what periods came first?
No, I have no idea.
Okay. Well.
No idea. Here's a smaller version of the one we were just looking at. That's a terrible sound. This one over here is another one I'm not going to pronounce. Ouranosaurus. There you go. And it's a plant eater as well. So they've all been plant eaters so far.
This one, the actual nameplate said meat underneath, but now it says plant, so I guess he has recently become a vegetarian. Congratulations. I hope the diet is working out for you. I feel very stressed.
Pardon me. And here's the dinosaur.
He said base roosted.
Ankylosaurus. Oh, I thought this was a velociraptor, but it's not. It's oviraptor. Eats meat and plants. Yes, must be the velociraptor's long lost brother. This one's massive, the old Brachiosaurus. Pretty sure this is the one that was eating the leaves of the tree in Jurassic Park. Huge. This one's a iguanodon. It's not making any sound. It's not, oh, but it moves. I lied, he does make sound. I think you can tell fairly easily by the teeth whether they're a meat eater or a herbivore. Herbivore or carnivore. Have a look at the chops on him. That's going to rip you to shreds when he gets hold of you. Never heard of this one before. Don't know how to pronounce that. But he sounds pretty angry. A Stegosaurus. It's very quiet, Stegosaurus. I think they have those big spines on them to try and stop the big boy over there from eating them. But we'll get to the big boy shortly. Brontosaurus.
Did you look at this?
I don't know why I thought that was this. I don't know. It's a very colourful one, this one. Alex just said it looks a bit like a cassowary.
Do you think it wants a snack?
It might love. He's saying, yes please, give me Dagwood dog. No, hates tomato sauce.
He only eats plants. That's
Oh,
why.
yeah.
Sorry, that wasn't very considerate of me.
No, now he's angry, we better go. It's a baby T-Rex here. Saying he's not a baby, I think he is a baby, because we're about to go and look at his mother. It's about 20 times bigger than him. There are a few little, there's one ride, a slide and a jumping castle here. That is an extra cost. So I know this is a T-Rex, and T-Rexes are meat eaters. That stick in his mouth, is that because he's been eating food, or is that a toothpick? It's probably just a toothpick. He might be becoming a vegan as well. It's pretty big. Pretty big, pretty big. There he is. He's got a couple of battle scars on his leg. Must have been fighting with someone. He's huge. And now we've come to the nursery. This is where the babies are. Just sitting here, resting, where no one can touch them. Waiting for their mothers to come and feed them. Being nice and quiet, scaring the little children. Alright guys, that brings us to the conclusion of our little paleontology expedition. We are now fully fledged paleontologists.
Is that really the name of people that study dinosaurs?
I believe so. I cannot deny or confirm, but I think it is. We're asking
That's
Google.
people who study fossils.
Well, aren't all dinosaurs now fossils?
These ones aren't. That's you. A fossil. Ancient.
I should have bought that shirt at Movie World, shouldn't I? Yes. She knows nothing about it. She'll see it when the Movie World video comes out. Yeah. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week from, I think, White Christmas.
Gizmo.
Right now.
Yeah.
Okay, see you next week. Alright.